know, we started driving the car again. We've kind of corrected small things, but we're still getting in some break-in miles, and that's what this video is going to be. So if you are just an absolute whore for some exhaust notes and exhaust sounds, this one's for you. Basically, we're just going to get some driving in. I know good old Travis, he gave me a call. He might need a little bit of our help, so easy excuse for us to jump into the Mustang, drive over to his house, get a couple miles in, and let's rack up some miles. We've already got a couple hundred. Let's see if we can't knock out another 100, because we're so close. And I really would like to hit this proper threshold of 500 break-in miles before we start, do another draggy hit, get back into racing. Let's do the right thing. It's such an easy task to do. Such an easy task to get that 500 miles. Let's do the right thing, okay? We have to hot wire this thing for it to run. Wait, are you still hot wiring? Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alien blood.
Like it's okay to dribble a little bit. By the way,
Yeah.
black man in Vietnam taught me a trick where if you turn that bottle sideways, there's less
It's like burping?
less burping, you know? Yeah. Fuck, look at that. Science. Science in action. So there you go, kids. You learned something.
Hondas need oil.
Why is it green though?
It's Pennsylvania green oil, dude. It's a real thing.
Is that the Quaker stuff?
Apparently it comes out of the ground this way.
Apparently comes out of the ground green. Alright, we got some Barney jizz on the stick.
Now we're
There we go.
kind of cooking. So it was low, about a quart. Maybe could use a little bit more, but I feel more better with that. So.
Mo better.
Mo better.
Oh, what?
This fancy. I spent too much money on this car for it to not run right, and so it pisses me off that it doesn't.
By the way, it shoots flames on idle.
Not anymore.
Not anymore? Okay. So let's crank this thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, baby.
Yeah.
I need you to live. Y'all ever heard a 4-cylinder chop? Holy crap. Yeah, I killed it. Alright, homie. I gotta bounce.
Later, dude.
right, so it looks like we got a good bit of miles down. We're at 23,169 miles. So for us to finish our 500 mile break-in, we need to be at 23,300 miles. So we're almost there. We got a lot of miles in today. And it was a whole lot of fun. Now, as you can see, I don't know. Perhaps I didn't make the most positive decisions, but at the same time, I had fun. As well as we saw somebody working through into the night. Oh man, that was like a downshift. Oh shit, you know. So, but for the most part, I'm actually surprised that, you know, I guess the one time I put a camera on the car that I actually pick up some, you know, video worthy stuff. So anyways, I'm glad you enjoyed the video, guys. It was pretty much a basic video, logging in some miles for us to get that break-in period for the clutch done. We went ahead and visited our boy Travis. I think he's going to get his Prelude running very soon, because that thing is supposed to make like 800 horsepower, which is nuts. Like, he tells me the words and I'm trying to believe it, but I gotta see it, you know. So it does sound gnarly, and I hope we can get that one going. But anyways, focusing on us, we're gonna get this thing knocked out, get it all good, and I will see you guys on the next one. Hopefully we'll hit that mark, and when we do hit that mark, we're gonna run our draggy test again. See if we can't beat 13, was it? Or 12, it was 12.8. 12.8 was our fastest time. Let's see if a fresh clutch, how much does it help us? So we'll give it a go then. Pretty excited. So hit a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on everything. Was I a bad guy? Should we stay longer to help Travis? What else are we going to do with the car when we get it broken in? What's the first kind of racing we're going to get into? Well, all I got to say is we'll see. And if it's your first time here, why don't you think of subscribing, and I will see you guys later.